Make a decorative Christmas tree out of newspaper. This newspaper Christmas tree is very simple and fun. Namaste friends, welcome back to Sangeetas Kreations. If you're new here, please make sure to subscribe my channel for latest updates and hit the bell button for notification and give this video a big thumbs up. In this video, you will learn how to make newspaper tree. In my previous video, you learn how to make newspaper Santa Claus. The best part is you already have all the materials with you. If you want to know how to make these tubes and how to color them, please click the link in the description below. Take green tube and insert wire in it like this. And now bend the tube in the center. Press it. Yes, like this. We are ready to weave. Take brown tube, apply white glue at the tip and attach here. Bend it towards you. Now take another green tube, press it, apply white glue, place this in between like this. Now attach cloth pin to secure. Insert wire in this tube. Now start weaving. Take green tube behind this. Now bring this in front above the brown tube like this. Now take this tube below the left green tube. Bend it and bring this in front and take behind the brown tube like this. Repeat in the same way. Don't forget to watch my previous video how to make newspaper Santa Claus and click on the link below. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't. Now to extend tube, take another tube, apply white glue on the tip and insert in this new tube. Repeat weaving in the same way. Don't you think it's very easy? I love making these crafts. I'll be sharing lots of crafts with you. So don't miss any of my videos. In between, keep on adjusting. It's really very easy and beautiful. You will love doing it. I'm really pretty sure. Keep on weaving in the same way till you reach here. It's coming out beautiful. In my coming video, you will watch how to make newspaper star in very easy way. It's very simple. Subscribe my channel if you haven't so that you don't miss any of my videos. Now here, press the end and apply glue and paste it like this and then attach cloth pin. You can apply glitter on this. Yeah, it's done. Your newspaper Christmas tree is ready. You can decorate this with your previous Santa Claus and upcoming newspaper star. Hope this video was very helpful. If yes, please make sure to give this thumbs up and share this video. And if you make one, do share with me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. See you soon. Till then, Namaste.